Hello, welcome to the Makulilo Scholarship Show. In today's show, I'm going to talk about the Diversity Immigrant Visa, DV program, or other people call it as Green Card Lottery. First of all, I'm going to conceptualize what does it mean when I'm talking about Diversity Immigrant Visa or Green Card Lottery. This Diversity Immigrant Visa program is a United States congressional mandated lottery program for receiving a United States permanent resident card. It is also known as Green Card Lottery. So once you get this one, you get US permanent resident card, which other people call that card as green card. Why is it called the green card? It is informally known as green card because the card had been green in color from 1946 to 1964. Then it has reverted to the color since May 2010. So in between 1964 to 2009, the color was changing back and forth wherever. But from May 2010, it went to the green color, which was original color since 1946. So that's why people are calling it green card. And the lottery is administered on an annual basis by the U.S. Department of State and conducted under the terms of the Section 203, subsection C of the Immigration and Nationality Act. This act makes available 50,000 permanent resident visas annually to native of countries deemed to have low rates of immigration to the United States of America. So for that case, only people who have low rates of immigration to the US are the ones who are eligible to apply for the DV lottery or to apply for Green Card Lottery. And this opportunity is for Green Card of 2013. So application has started now. I will talk later a little bit when is the application duration and when is the result and when, if you get it, you are going to be in the US. I'm going to say, as I said, that only countries with low rates of immigration are the ones who are eligible to apply. So for that case, nationals of countries who have sent more than 50,000 immigrants to the United States of America over the past 5 years are not eligible to apply for the Diversity Visa program. So for the DV 2013, natives of the following countries are not eligible to apply because those countries sent a total of more than 50,000 immigrants to the United States in the previously 5 years. So these countries are Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, Colombia, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Haiti, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Pakistan, Peru, Philippines, South Korea, United Kingdom, but with exception to Northern Ireland and its dependent territories and Vietnam. So these countries are ineligible to apply for the Diversity Visa program of 2013. The diversity registration period, when is the application time? Application time for the Diversity Visa program of 2013, the application has started on October 4th, 2011 up to November 5th of 2011. So you have 1 month to apply, and all applications are online. Applicants may access the electronic diversity visa entry form online at this particular website, www.dvlottery.state.gov. I'm going to write down at the bottom of this video this particular website so that you can go and apply. Remember that paper entries will not be accepted, and the Department of State is encouraging people to apply very early, not to wait at the last week of the registration period to enter, because heavy demand may result into website delays when you wait for the last week. So make sure that you apply very, very early. And what are the requirements for someone to apply? The main two requirements are education. In order to apply for this particular opportunity, you must have education of either high school or its equivalent, defined as a successful program of completion of 12-year course of elementary and secondary education, or you must have 2 years of work experience within the past 5 years in an occupation requiring at least 2 years of training or experience to perform. So that is one of the most important things, is education, high school or equivalent, or work experience. Then the native of a qualified country. So there are countries, as I mentioned before, that they are not allowed to apply. That is another thing to consider. But the most important thing of all, that you cannot finish your application online if you don't submit a required photograph. So photograph is having certain particular requirements. If you don't feel your photograph is not having all those requirements, that means you will fail to submit your application. And if you fail to submit your application, that means you will not be in a position to apply and win. So these are the photo requirements. First of all, the background of that particular photograph is supposed to be white. So don't use the blue color or any other color. Background of the photograph is white. Use the white wall, white sheet, or white anything you want, but it's supposed to be a clean white color. For that case, I'm encouraging you to wear a cloth, dress shirt, or something else which is having a color which is not very closely to white, like blue, red, black, and some sort of that. And these other requirements are the format of the image, because it is a digital photo which is supposed to be in Joint Photographic Expert Group, which is JPEG format, and is supposed to have a required size. If your size is exceeding 240 kilobytes, you are above. So the maximum file size of that photo or image is supposed to be 40 KB. And the most important thing is the dimension and the resolution. So the acceptable dimension and the resolution, image resolution, is supposed to be 600 pixels times 600 pixels. So the width and the length is supposed to be 600 pixels. That is the most important resolution which is required. So I'm repeating again, they need image format, image size, dimension and the resolution, and the background of the photo must be white. So those are the most important things related to photograph. But if you have any other problem about how you can edit your photograph to go to the required information, you can email me, take 2-3 photographs and email me, and I will help you to edit the photograph. I will do for free. I will help you to edit it as soon as possible, take it to you back, and then you can apply. Again, just send me email on my email, which I'm going to post at the down of this photograph, down of this video. But again, my email is Makulilo, MAKULILO at makulilofoundation.org. Makulilo at makulilofoundation.org. Or just go to the Google search or Yahoo search and write my name, MAKULILO, Makulilo, and you'll get the search results of my forum, my website, my blog, my Twitter account, and then in all any search you will go through, you'll find my contact address there. Just send me your photo and I'll help you to edit it. What are the other important things you're supposed to include? The other important thing you're supposed to include is there are important information you're supposed to include. This important information like your name, gender, birth, city of you were born, and other things. But these are the most important thing. Your marital status. If you are married, you have to write you are married and you put the name of your spouse and the details of your spouse and the photograph of your spouse. And for that case, your spouse will apply as independent applicant, as a principal applicant, and he will say she or he is married, and then we'll put your detail plus the photograph of you. And if you have children, you must include the name, date of birth, place of birth of your children, and the photograph. If you don't put it, if you are married, and the name of your husband or wife, plus the name of the children, if you have with their photograph, your application will be ineligible. You'll be automatically taken out of the competition on the technical knockout. So you must submit all those particular information. Another important notice is this application is free of charge. Electronic online entry in the annual diversity program is free. There is no fee. The US government employs no outside consultant or private services to operate the diversity visa program. So don't go to any website and you apply, because if you go to the Google search and you write green card lottery, you will find more than 100 search results, and all those results, majority of them are scams. They are not true official website of the US government. So be careful with those. So the question to ask yourself is, how do you know if a website or email is from the US government? It is very easy. Internet sites ending in the .gov, top level domain suffix, are the official government website. So if you receive, let's say, greencard.com, that is not the official, that is a scam. If you receive email or you go to the website greencardlottery.org, that is not. It's supposed to be at the end with the word .gov. That is the official government site of the US government. And other way, how do you recognize that this website or email is a fraud, is a scam? Some websites and emails try to mislead customers and members of the public into thinking they are official government website. These websites are designed to appear official and often have images of the US website, the US flag, US Capitol, White House, or Statue of Liberty. What these websites and emails are missing is .gov suffix on their addresses. Remember that anything that does not end with .gov should be considered suspect. That is a scam, is not the official website. So be careful. Make sure that that is the official website. The official green card application website is www.dvlottery.state.gov. Again, if you have any question or you want me to help to edit your photo to go to the required size, image, resolution, and everything, send to Makulilo at makulilofoundation.org. I will be very much happy to help you with this green card lottery application. That is the most important thing, that if you apply, you win, I will be happy. I'm confident about green card lottery. It is a lottery. There are people who have applied more than 8 times. They didn't get it. There are people who have applied more than 1 time, just 2 times, or one time they won. So it is a lottery. Apply. It is free. Each year apply. It is free. Make sure that you use this free opportunity. Once you get selected, how do you know you are selected? It is very easy. Once you apply, you will get the confirmation number. Write down that confirmation number, send it to your email. Then on May 1st, 2012, you'll go to the official website and go to find the status to know that you have won or not. Thank you so much. Enjoy the Makulilo Scholarship Show. Goodbye. Hope you the best of luck.